Okay, third one. Find the area of a triangle formed by, see, the tricky part is here, joining the midpoints of the sides of a triangle. Whose vertices are these things? Find the ratio of this area to the area of the original triangle. Cunning people. Okay, so what they are given? One triangle is given, and this triangle, three sides will come. No, from the three sides we have to take the midpoints of all the three sides. So imagine the triangle. So you draw the triangle so you understand what it is. So there is a triangle. Let us give the name to it, A, B, C. Okay. So now let A come midpoints be 0, -1, B come midpoints 2, 1, and C come midpoints 0, 3. So what? This AB come midpoint, na, we'll give this the name D. BC come midpoint, we'll give the name E. Okay, you can give any name you want. You can give X, Y, Z, W, X, Y, whatever you want, you can give. AC come midpoint, we will give F. So now if I join these 3 points, I get one triangle. No, I have to find the area of this triangle, not the original, this triangle. Now to find the area of this triangle, I need these 3 points, right? For these 3 points, I have to use midpoint formula, which came in exercise 7.2. So how will you find D? D is the midpoint of AB, right? So what you remember, x1 plus x2 by 2. So D is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So what is x1? 0 plus 2 by 2. Just add the first here and divide by 2. First here divide by 2. So 1 minus 1 divided by 2. So what is it? 2 by 2, my 1 minus 1, 0. So D, what is the value of D? 0, 1. Okay, so now we'll do it fast because lot is asked here. So E is equal to same thing, this 2. E we have to find, so these 2. So 2 plus 0 divided by 2, 3 plus 1 divided by 2. So what is it? 2 plus 0 is 2 by 2, 4 by 2. If you cancel, you get 1, 2. So E we have found 1, 2. Now F, 0 plus 0 divided by 2, 3 minus 1 divided by 2. So 0 plus 0 is going to be 0 only. 3 minus 1 is 2 by 2. So which is 0, 1. So now with these 3 points, we have to find the area. Okay, with these 3, D, E, F. So we are going to find the area of D, E, F first. Okay. So area of D, E, F. So first we write what are they, so we don't have to keep turning the page. 0, 1, 1, 2 is in 2 times 0, 1 is coming. See, mistakes will come. 1, 0. Okay, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1. 1, 0, E is 1, 2, and F is 0, 1. So now we write x1, x2, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Okay. So now area. What is area ka formula? Half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So half into x1, 1 into y2. y2 is 2 minus 1 plus x2 is 1. Here everything is positive, so no need to worry. 1 minus 0 plus x3 is 0. So because if you want to, y1, 0 minus 2. So this is half 1. 2 minus 1, 1 plus 1 minus 1 is again 1. Here 0, so it's going to be 0 only. 0 multiplied by anything is 0, so just write 0. So half. Now 1 ones are 1 plus 1 ones are 1. So 1 plus 1, 2 divided by 2. So what is area? Area is equal to, you cancel, you get 1 square unit. Okay. So we found the area. First part over. Now second, find the ratio of this area to the original area. That is, we have to find the area of ABC also. This one that we have, no? The full area we have to find and then we have to divide. Okay. So we are going to find area of ABC. So first we write what is ABC. So A is 0 minus 1, B is, I am seeing the book and writing, 2 1, and C is 0 3. So again you have to write x1 y1. So x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So let us do first. So area is equal to x1. x1 is 0, so I am leaving it, because 0 multiplied by anything you are again going to get 0. And x2 is 2, x2 into y3, 3 minus of minus 1, I forgot half a. Okay, plus again x3 is also 0, so leave it. So half into, here 2 into 3 minus into minus plus 1. Am I right? So this 2 gets cancelled. 3 plus 1, 4 square unit. So area of ABC is equal to 4. Area of DEF equal to 1. So area of ABC. So what they want us to find is area of triangle DEF divided by area of triangle ABC. What is area of triangle DEF? We just now saw it was 1. So 1 divided by 4, so which is 1/4.